Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020. Smart contracts fund by digital assets manager Grayscale. Large-scale trading by investment houses is credited with spurring a massive crypto rally in 2021, and as such, is usually a bullish indicator. Krafton, developer of the wildly popular PUBG video game, partnered with Solana Labs last week to develop blockchain games, drawing more attention to the token. Ethereum's planned shift to a POS model has also spurred interest in other projects in the space. After recent gains, SOL is the second largest player in the space. Solana price analysis. SOL value rises by 12%, following a Pensia announcement. Technical indicators elsewhere. In the top 10 cryptocurrencies, Ripple, XRP, is currently down by 7% to 80 cents, while Terra has also dropped by nearly 6% to $102. The rest of the coins in the upper echelons of the crypto market have variously recorded drops ranging from 4.4% to 0.5% over the last 24 hours. Solana's relative strength indicator, RSI, is getting ever closer to the 70 points mark. This would indicate that SOL is being overbought and could yet experience a trend reversal in the coming days. SOL's moving average convergence divergence (MACD) indicator is showing an upward expansion, suggesting a continued bullish run for the cryptocurrency. Additionally, Solana's current bias is also decidedly bullish. Solana's bullish performance has been buoyed by a marked rise in demand for non-fungible tokens (NFTs) on the platform. This rise in demand has in turn been spurred by news that OpenSea, the industry-leading marketplace for NFTs, is set to integrate the Solana blockchain into its platform sometime in April. The announcement for the integration was made in a 16-second teaser video posted on Pensia's official Twitter handle. The tweet was then quote-tweeted by OpenSea's head of blockchain, Adam Montgomery. Less than 24 hours later, the original tweet had been viewed more than 500,000 times, retweeted nearly 9,000 times, and liked by more than 20,000 crypto enthusiasts. OpenSea to give Magic Eden a run for its money. When the integration happens, Solana will become the fourth network to have its NFTs traded on OpenSea. Currently, Polygon, Ethereum, and Klaton are the only blockchains whose NFTs are trading on OpenSea. The biggest marketplace for Solana NFTs is Magic Eden. It remains to be seen whether its 2% transaction fee, which is 50 basis points lower than OpenSea's, will keep users on Magic Eden. Solana's inclusion into the OpenSea platform could help OpenSea regain its dominance of the NFT market, which was being eroded by a new entrant, LooksRare. Since its inception, LooksRare has registered over 55,000 new users and recorded over $21 billion in trading volume. In comparison, OpenSea recorded just over $12 billion in trading volume over the same period, despite registering more new users than LooksRare. SOL United States dollars, Shiba Inu, SHIB United States dollars, Polygon, Matic United States dollars, and Compound, Comp United States dollars, to its digital asset offerings, according to the company's blog post. Meanwhile, all four cryptos are climbing intraday, with Shiba Inu, SHIB United States dollars 19.1% in the lead, followed by Polygon, Matic United States dollars 6.3%, Compound, Comp United States dollars 6.1%, and Solana, SOL United States dollars 4.1%. The newly listed digital coins are available to buy and sell on the Robinhood app, though deposit and withdrawal won't be available immediately for these assets, but that capability is coming soon, the fintech said. The call that the company's co-founder and CEO, Vlad Tenev, hinted at plans towards the end of January to add more digital tokens to its crypto trading capabilities. Note that Hed's crypto Transacoin and Ethereum dominated the market in terms of volume, while Solana and Luna registered smaller spikes. Fast forward 3 months, however, and we can clearly see that Luna's volume has surged high above that of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even Solana. However, Sol and Luna investors are far from being over the moon as weighted sentiment for both assets was in the negative territory at press time. This suggests that investors are well past the excitement of the buy-to-dip stage. Now ready with their newly acquired assets, most seem ready for a bull run. Looking at the price action of both assets, Sol was trading at $80.94, having risen by 0.67% in the last 24 hours, while falling by 3.75% over the last 7 days. Meanwhile, Luna was changing hands at $93.04, after appreciating by 5.81% in a day, and rallying by 12.82% in 7 days. While investors might take this as a sign to gather some alts for their portfolio, both coins come with their own baggage. For instance, Solana's total value locked TVL share has been on a certain downtrend since the fall of 2021. Meanwhile, Terra's TVL is on the rise, and with a 12.95% share, it is just behind Ethereum itself. And yet, analysts are concerned that Luna could be due for a correction soon. Furthermore, DeFi players are questioning the yield sustainability of Terra's anchor lending protocol. Hopes boost Solana. Sol benefited from a slew of positive news through March. Last week, digital asset manager CoinShares and world number 3 crypto exchange FTX jointly launched an exchange-traded product that offers Sol staking rewards without directly buying the token. The product is geared chiefly towards institutional investors and is expected to draw a large amount of capital to Sol. The token also makes up nearly a quarter of the weightage in a recently launched. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Sol is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Sol will be between $508.24 and $523.51 expected in 2026, depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Sol ranges from $508.24 to $641.51 for 2026. Solana Price Prediction 2027. Solana's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Sol could reach $886.45 by 2027, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $731.64 for 2027, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2027. Solana Price Prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Solana could cross $1,220.19 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2028. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2028 will be around $1,052.77. Sol Price Prediction 2029. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Solana will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2029, Sol is expected to peak at $1,774.86. The minimum bet could rise to $1,443.62 if the market turns bullish. Solana Price Prediction 2030. It appears that by 2030, Solana, Sol, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2030, we can expect the average rate to be $2,137.86. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Solana's maximum price could be up to $2,572.46 in 2030. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market.